Hello everybody, today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of R number 2. So now I will show you the technique. First, we move n number 1 go to here. N number 2 minus n number 1 go in here. So we got about n1 over f multiply with n2 minus n1. So we will got about 1 over r number 1 minus 1 over r number 2. Now we move on everything in here, go to the right, and this one go to the left. So we got about 1 over r number 2 equal to 1 over r number 1 minus n number 1 over f n number 2 minus n number 1. So now we will swap everything in here, go to this one, r number 2 go to this one, and you got about r number 2 equals to 1 over everything in here. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.